In this video, we will explain how to invite team members in Tuskr account. User invitation in Tuskr allows you to add team members to your projects and assign them appropriate roles. This ensures the right people have access to the right areas, enabling efficient collaboration and streamlined testing workflows. To invite new user to the project, first navigate to the Administration section in the sidebar and select the Users tab. On Users page, click the New button to begin creating a new user invitation. Enter the email address in the text field. Invited user will receive email with invitation details. Toggle the admin switch to grant the new user administrative permissions. Open the role drop-down and select the user's role. Roles can be customized on a dedicated page available in the sidebar under the Administration section. Select projects from the drop-down. The user will have the selected role in those projects. Submit the invitation by clicking the Invite. User invitation has been successfully sent. You can track the invitation status in the status column. Thank you for watching.